Hi friends, do you aware of recursion in programming languages? So what will be the output for this code? Think. Well, recursion is one of the important concepts in programming languages. Many problems can be broken into smaller subproblems or identical subproblems to solve. In a sense, the code become very concise and very short, where a function calls itself again and again in order to execute the results. When a function calls itself again and again, so it must have a base case where it go and stop and then recursively in order to get the results. For example, here we pass the function value 5 to the function, so the function display the value. After that it returns something, but when you look at the return, it the function name appears inside. So whenever you see the code where the name of the function appear inside again, that is a recursive call. Okay, so it call itself again and again, but in this code it will cause an infinite loop. This code will cause an infinite loop. Why? Since there is no base condition here. So the most significant, most important part whenever you are using recursion or recursive function is to make sure that you need to have a base case where the execution goes and stop and then repeatedly apply back, reverse it back in order to find the results. A stack is one of the good example for recursive function. So when I run the code, it will cause an infinite loop since we don't have a base case. That's why it keep on running, right? So what we have to do in this code, if n equal to 0, for example, and I do return 0, else return f of n minus 1. You need to know the value of f of 4. Then it call again. It doesn't know the value of f of 4, so it call again, then f of 3, f of 2, f of 1, and f of 0. F of 0 it knows return. Then it will know what is the value for other function. So you can see here it will shows 5 4 3 2 1 0 again. So